I'm Betty Furness. In all my years with Westinghouse, I've covered some pretty interesting stories. But here is truly the most wonderful and exciting thing I've ever had the chance to talk about. It's the Westinghouse Total Electric Home. A home where electricity does everything. Heats, cools, illuminates, launders, preserves and prepares foods, entertains. It even lights a path to the front door with rayescent strip lighting. As visitors approach, more lights go on automatically to say a cheery welcome. Then, when they arrive at the door, a television camera takes their picture to tell the hostess her guests have arrived. When you step inside the Total Electric Home, you step into an entirely new concept in living, organized around electric centers, such as this entertainment center.
What are you looking at?
Look, it's the raft in Simpsons.
The Sasquatch and whatever that's saying. Someone just did a...
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
A not family-friendly thing.
It's your scratch.
Wow, this place is really cool. Of course, normally this time of year, there'd be a lot of snow on the ground. There's been no snow in the Midwest. That's probably why it's so leaky. It's really warm. Surprisingly warm. Wow. This is a really pretty factory floor. This place is beaming with positive energy. Wow. This is really cool. This is awesome. You can just leave the tripod back there. How beautiful this is. Okay, this is wet. Running. running. Okay, we're good. How cool is this? Look right here, railway tracks. See the outside. See the railway.
Rails?
Yeah.
Dude, that thing going into the rail system.
Wow. This is really cool. In 1886, George Westinghouse would found the Westinghouse Electric Company, and in 1894, it would come to Cleveland. Westinghouse would compete with his rival, Thomas Edison, and his company, General Electric. Before being owned by Westinghouse, this building was a power plant. It provided electricity to streetcar railways that dominated the early 20th and late 19th century. In 1917, it was determined that the plant could no longer meet power demands for the railway network around Cleveland, so it was sold to Westinghouse. They would use it to manufacture electrical components.
So how is it?
Or anything creaking or bending or anything. I think it's good. Concrete metal.
Oh wow, it's pretty cool up here. It's beautiful.
I'm not going on that, don't ask. That happened.
No.
Yeah, that's not secure.
No balls.
Wolf, you said no balls.
Don't step on. I stepped on that. That thing's about to cave in. That is not secure at all.
That is, you step on that, you're going right through.
Yeah. I love all the ominous chains hanging from the ceiling. I like how this floor is just torn out.
How's it up there?
It's fine. It's just the wall, not the floor. The wall is torn out. Just gotta be careful. Okay, I don't think we're getting up that. I'm trying to climb over it. Look at this.
Oh, hello.
If you think that's bad, look at the stairwell going up. Ooh, what a cool archway. Looks very similar to the other floor. See right here where we just were? Here is the upper floor. Just Looks really cool. Had to climb over all that. Looks like the walls got knocked out. The floor up here seems pretty steady. I mean, it's all made of concrete. You can see right here the building right next to us. What a nice little room. In 1933, the factory would close. The facility would be purchased by Thomson Products in 1936. They were a producer of aircraft engine valves and cars. During World War II, the company would see a lot of business. After the war, hundreds would be laid off. Thomson Products would merge with another arms development company in 1958. In the 60s, they would move their production to a different factory. A producer of lighting equipment, Verdun Manufacturing Company, would begin to use the old facility in 1963. After several layoffs in 1977, the plant would finally close permanently in 1979. The factory hadn't seen much use since then, other than being used as a set for the Avengers movie in 2011.
With the masks donned, we prepare to enter the murder basement, my favorite part of every exploration.
Oh, it's dark down here.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, it's just a little room.
Alright, cue the creepy music right about now. Wow, this is old. Like really old. And big. Shine the light down there? Your headlamp? See if we can... Can't really see it too well on the camera, but it is really big.
Yeah, I'm not putting anything up in my phone.
It's so dark.
Also, I've shined the camera not there.
Look over here. Wow.
If you're like a need for floodlights on here.
Yeah, I really need to get floodlights. Be good for pictures too. Well, I see a wall right in front of us.
When we get back to Boston, we'll have to go buy some.
Definitely.
For a spring trip.
I can't tell how deep this is. Like, I see the wall right there, but looking down that way, I can't tell how deep it
I
goes.
think it's the same size as the horizontal line. It's just really hard to see.
Most likely.
I'll just mess down here and we'll give it a look for a minute.
Oh, I see a wall now. I mean, this is really cool, but without proper lighting, we really can't see much on the camera.
Yeah, it's kind of pointless.
Brings it kind of pointless. Now you venture onwards to the last building. It's beautiful how it's all overgrown like that. Amazing. This is incredible. You good there, Victor? I think he tripped. stairs are covered in dirt. Oh no. I don't think we need the tripod. We got a lot of B-roll already.
The Westinghouse Electric Corporation is a crumbling ruin, but an important part of Cleveland's history, and now will never be forgotten.
Y'all need Jesus. Hallelujah. Behold.
Not wrong.